Wuhan Retag Diamond Company Limited is a specialized company engaged in diamond composite materials research and development, design and manufacture. The main products, PDC cutters and top dome PDC inserts, are widely used in petroleum, geological drilling and exploration, coal mining, road and bridge engineering excavation, as well as other areas of abrasion-resistant tools. With strong support for the R&D system of Kingdream Public Limited Company, Kingdream for short, Wuhan Retag Diamond Company Limited was established and registered in Wuhan East Lake New Tech Development Zone on December 28, 2002. In 2006, Retag passed ISO 9001-2000 QMS certification. In 2008, the company was recognized as a national high-tech enterprise and passed the ISO 9001-2008 QMS renewal certification in 2010. The quality objective of Wuhan Retag is advanced technology and customer supreme. We put more than 10% sales turnover in R&D and make a lot of basic researches forming a PCD material technology system every year. In 2008, Wuhan Retag and the strategic customer established a joint research institute to make the technical data system, in order to build a technical information system integrating PCD materials with rock bits. In 2014, the company began to construct PCD materials process, digitization and automation. At recent years, Retag Diamond Enhanced Mining Picks and Diamond Enhanced DTH bits receive good reputations in the market. Wuhan Retag owns excellent talent group and superior manufacturing, inspecting and analyzing equipment's complete and advanced technical system, as well as effective quality system which can support the faster response to customer requirements. The PCD products at present get recognitions from some of the world's top 500 enterprises. More and more products are sold to the markets in China, the United States, Russia, Australia, the Middle East, Japan, as well as the applications in offshore oil drilling areas.